Hi, my name's Leah. I want to tell you a lot, but first of all, I want to let you know that my ultimate goal and purpose for myself and now for you, other people, is to tell people the truth, and hopefully I can lead by example, and follow people who need help. I'm going to mention Elon, so I feel like that he's someone who's really tried to get the truth out there, and it's been very hard for him. So you could imagine someone like me trying to get the truth out would be very hard as well. So I'm going to start with appropriate song behind it. So, let's check about this song first. This song is truly what I want to achieve, and I'm sure that everyone else who has a heart wants to achieve the same. So this is raw. This is like I'm just being brave. So okay, let's go. I'm going to talk about first is talking about my artwork. Very good artwork. So in here you see someone driving a car. That's me. Maybe my loved ones around. So each of us have our own car and have our loved ones here, whether it's a husband, mother, father, whatever it may be, a pet, whoever, but you've got your loved ones that you would do anything for. Then we have got no driver. Ooh, no driver. No, this is a beautiful addition to our world and what we have. So there's Elon having the self-driving robo-taxis or cars. So we have got two different types of things. But how these two things marry together, me and Elon marry together, not literally but metaphorically, we marry together, is we have artificial intelligence and we have intelligence. Now both of these are going to be, I believe, our key to success individually and together. So Elon, if you hear this, we marry together. So if you want to know how, Elon, ask me how. And we can produce this together. So what Elon is doing is creating something that will help a lot of people and bring innovation. For myself, is teaching people how to self-drive their own pathways. For myself, it was through pain and destruction, and what I guess is going on at the moment really reflects me and my story with the courts, and with being seen as someone who is a criminal. When I stood up and voiced for myself, not only for myself in Australia, but about 10,000 or more people who also stood up, and we were basically laughed out of court. So my vow was to make a difference, and I've sort of narrowed it down to a self-driving component, which it can help people understand and align that. And through this, I had found Elon. I discovered him, I guess, when he stood up in the election, and that's when I really aligned with him and decided we were going to marry. But I think that I think that we will work together, and people will be able to align with not just Elon, but with me, my story. I'm an everyday person, and people can sort of understand and personalise it, I guess, to say we are anybody. It doesn't matter who we are, rich, poor, or anything. we are all important, and that's the great thing I think about Elon. Like, he is the world's most richest person, but he's, to me, what I can gather, he is the most down to earth person. So, Elon, if you're hearing this, better call me. So, listen up. My name's Leah, 47. Oh, I have a star on my face because I'm a star. No, pimple patch, the in thing.